ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon zira, cumin. Mix well. Marinate for half an hour. 2 teaspoons oil, 2 chopped onion, saute well. Take a blending jar. Add the sauté onions. Half cup water. Blend well. Oil. Add the onion puree. Add the marinated chicken. Small green chilies. Cover it, cook until the chicken is cooked. One teaspoon black pepper. Malai or cream. Until thick consistently. Add some cream on top. Sprinkle some fresh coriander. Like, share, and subscribe.